If you're looking for best tool bag for electrician, this video is for you. Here are a collection you gotta see. Let's get started. Number 5. Moonbiffy Tool Bag for Electrician. The Moonbiffy Tool Bag for Electrician is an essential accessory for professionals in the field. With its sturdy construction and ample storage capacity, it provides a convenient and organized solution for carrying and storing various tools. One of the standout features of this tool bag is its ability to accommodate a wide range of tools. Whether you need to carry screwdrivers, pliers, knives, rulers, or even a multimeter, this bag has you covered. The spacious interior provides ample room for all your essential tools, allowing you to keep them organized and easily accessible. The portability of the Moonbiffy Tool Bag is worth highlighting. Made from high-density Oxford cloth and featuring dense sewing, this bag is built to withstand the rigors of everyday use. Its waterproof and anti-fall properties ensure that your tools remain protected, even in challenging working conditions. The compact design further enhances its portability, allowing you to carry it effortlessly from one job site to another. The large capacity and reasonable design of this tool bag make it incredibly user-friendly. The thoughtful layout of compartments and pockets enables you to arrange your tools systematically, minimizing the risk of misplacing or damaging them. You can quickly identify and access the required tool, saving valuable time during your work. It is important to note that the Moonbiffy Tool Bag for Electrician is sold individually and does not include any tools. However, this allows for customization and ensures that the bag can be tailored to suit your specific needs. You have the freedom to select and organize your preferred tools within the bag, creating a personalized toolkit. In summary, the Moonbiffy Tool Bag for Electrician is a reliable and practical solution for professionals who require a portable and well-organized tool storage option. Its durable construction, waterproof and anti-fall properties, and ample storage capacity make it suitable for carrying a variety of tools commonly used in electrical work. The bag's thoughtful design and compact size contribute to its overall convenience and ease of use. While it does not come with tools included, this allows for customization and personalization based on individual preferences. Overall, the Moonbiffy Tool Bag is a valuable asset for electricians seeking a reliable and efficient storage solution for their essential tools. Number 4. Dutrieux Tool Bag for Electrician. The Dutrieux Tool Bag for Electrician has proven to be a reliable and practical accessory for my electrical work. Made from high-class fabric, this bag exhibits excellent wear-resistant performance, ensuring its durability even in demanding environments. The quality of the material used in its construction instills confidence in its ability to withstand heavy use and provide long-lasting service. The bag's simple handle design adds to its portability and ease of use. With a comfortable grip, I can easily carry it around from one job site to another without strain or discomfort. The simplicity of the handle design enhances the bag's overall functionality, allowing for hassle-free transportation of essential tools. Crafted with fine craftsmanship, the Dutrieux Tool Bag boasts an exquisite appearance and attention to detail. The meticulous construction and thoughtful design elements make this bag visually appealing and professional in appearance. It reflects the manufacturer's commitment to delivering a product that not only performs well but also exhibits a high standard of craftsmanship. The versatility of the Dutrieux Tool Bag is evident in its wide range of applications. It is suitable for storing and organizing various tools commonly used by electricians, such as screwdrivers, pliers, tape, and more. The bag provides ample space and compartments to accommodate these tools, allowing for easy access and efficient organization. It is designed to meet the diverse needs of electricians, making it an essential tool storage solution. The zipper design of the bag adds an extra layer of security and convenience. With a reliable zipper closure, I can rest assured that my tools will remain safely stored and protected from accidental loss or damage. The zipper provides a secure seal, ensuring that tools and equipment stay in place during transport or when the bag is not in use. In conclusion, the Dutrieux Tool Bag for Electrician offers exceptional quality, functionality, and versatility. Its high-class material and wear-resistant performance make it a durable and reliable choice for demanding work environments. The simple handle design adds portability, while the fine craftsmanship and exquisite appearance demonstrate attention to detail. With its ample storage space, wide range of applications, and zipper design for added security, this tool bag is an excellent investment for electricians seeking a reliable and organized storage solution. Number 3. Korevo Tool Bag for Electrician. The Korevo Tool Bag for Electrician has become an essential companion for my electrical work, offering durability, functionality, and convenient organization. Made from high-quality Oxford fabric, this bag proves to be both durable and functional, capable of withstanding the demands of daily use. One of the standout features of this tool bag is the inclusion of extra elastic bands, which provide additional storage options for small tools. This thoughtful addition allows me to securely store and organize various small accessories, ensuring that they are easily accessible when needed. It's a practical feature that enhances the overall functionality and versatility of the bag. The fold-down flap design of the Korevo Tool Bag serves as an excellent safeguard, preventing tools from accidentally falling out. This feature adds a layer of protection, ensuring that tools remain securely in place during transport or while the bag is not in use. It gives me peace of mind knowing that my tools are secure and won't get misplaced or damaged. With 22 interior pockets, including an additional socket pocket, this tool bag offers ample storage space for a wide range of tools. The well-designed interior compartments allow for efficient organization, making it easy to locate and retrieve specific tools when needed. The inclusion of a dedicated socket pocket further adds to the bag's functionality and convenience. The two-strap closure of the Korevo Tool Bag ensures that the pouch remains securely fastened when not in use. This feature prevents any accidental spills or loss of tools, providing added peace of mind. The straps are easy to use and effectively keep the contents of the bag secure, even during transportation. Reinforced stitching is a crucial element in the durability of any tool bag, and the Korevo Tool Bag excels in this aspect. The reinforced stitching not only enhances the bag's overall durability but also adds to its longevity. This attention to detail ensures that the bag can withstand the rigors of everyday use, making it a reliable choice for electricians. The Korevo Tool Bag securely holds small accessories such as pliers, screwdrivers, mini flashlights, and more. The well-designed interior pockets provide a snug fit for these tools, preventing them from shifting around and getting damaged. This secure storage solution ensures that my tools are well protected and easily accessible whenever I need them. In conclusion, the Korevo Tool Bag for Electrician is a durable, functional, and well-designed tool bag that meets the demands of electrical work. The use of high-quality Oxford fabric, reinforced stitching, and fold-down flap design ensures its durability and functionality. The ample interior pockets, additional socket pocket, and extra elastic bands provide convenient organization and storage options. With its secure strap closure, this bag offers peace of mind during transport. Whether holding pliers, screwdrivers, or other small accessories, the Korevo Tool Bag securely keeps tools in place. Overall, this tool bag is a reliable and efficient storage solution for electricians seeking a practical and durable option. Number 2. Dutrieux Tool Bag for Electrician. The Dutrieux Tool Bag for Electrician is a reliable and practical tool storage solution that offers a range of features to enhance convenience and durability. Designed specifically for electricians, this bag is built to withstand demanding work environments while providing ample storage space. One of the standout features of this tool bag is its three-dimensional large-capacity surrounding pocket. With built-in 6 internal and 8 external function patch cords, you can easily organize and store your tools without them becoming cluttered or difficult to access. This thoughtful design ensures that your tools are neatly arranged, allowing for efficient work practices. Safety is a top priority, and the Dutrieux Tool Bag addresses this concern with its high-performance reflective strip effect. The reflective strips on the bag provide an obvious warning effect, making you more visible during night travels. This feature enhances your safety and the safety of those around you, reducing the risk of accidents or mishaps. The ABS thickened wear-resistant outsole is another noteworthy feature of this tool bag. It provides added durability and resilience, making it suitable for harsh ground environments. Whether you're working in rugged outdoor conditions or navigating through challenging terrain, this bag can withstand the elements and protect your tools effectively. The three-dimensional large-capacity design of the Dutrieux Tool Bag ensures that it can accommodate a wide range of tools without compromising its structural integrity. The reinforced construction prevents the bag from collapsing under the weight of your tools, ensuring its durability and longevity. This feature adds peace of mind, knowing that your bag can withstand the demands of daily use. In conclusion, the Dutrieux Tool Bag for Electrician offers a range of features that make it a practical and reliable choice for professionals in the field. Its three-dimensional large-capacity surrounding pocket provides organized storage for your tools, preventing clutter and facilitating efficient work practices. The high-performance reflective strip effect enhances safety, especially during night travels. The ABS-thickened wear-resistant outsole ensures that the bag can withstand harsh ground environments. With its reinforced construction, the bag remains strong and durable, even when loaded with heavy tools. Overall, the Dutrieux Tool Bag is a valuable asset for electricians who prioritize convenience, safety, and durability in their tool storage solution. Number 1. Airaj Tool Bag for Electrician. The Airaj Tool Bag for Electrician is a professional-grade backpack designed to meet the toughest demands of the job. Made with 1680D polyester fibers, this tool backpack offers exceptional durability and resilience, ensuring it can withstand challenging work environments without compromising on performance. One of the standout features of this tool bag is its reinforced pockets and zippers. The reinforced construction provides added strength, allowing the bag to withstand the wear and tear of daily use. With this tool backpack, you can have confidence that your tools will remain secure and protected even in demanding conditions. The rubber base of the Airaj Tool Bag is another notable feature. Designed with a flat and waterproof rubber base, the bag can stand upright in any environment. This feature ensures that your tools stay safe and dry, even when placed on wet surfaces. The rubber base also adds strength and wear resistance, further enhancing the bag's durability and longevity. The excellent design of this tool backpack offers both functionality and convenience. With a large capacity and multiple inner pockets, you have ample space to store your wrenches, screwdrivers, and other tools. The inclusion of zip pockets on both the inside and outside of the bag allows for easy organization of small items, ensuring everything has its designated place. In conclusion, the Airaj Tool Bag for Electrician is a durable and reliable backpack designed to meet the demanding needs of professionals in various trades. The 1680D polyester construction, reinforced pockets and zippers, and rubber base ensure longevity and resilience in the toughest work environments. The excellent design, including a large capacity and multiple pockets, offers practicality and organization for your tools. The bag's versatility makes it suitable for carpenters, plumbers, repairers, and DIY enthusiasts. The comfortable mesh padding shoulder straps and thick rubber bottom further enhance the bag's functionality and comfort. Overall, the Airaj Tool Bag is a top-notch choice for those seeking a high-quality tool backpack that prioritizes durability, organization, and comfort.